Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to dropship in Shopee in Philippines. So as you know, dropshipping is basically when you take a product that already exists or someone else made the product and you just act like a middleman and you're going to fulfill that order for that specific person. So first, you're going to Shopee and make sure here to log in on this website. So to do the dropship, we need to use a tool which called the Shopify. So basically, Shopify is the best dropshipping tool that we can use in order to dropship a product. So you can actually start it with a free trial and then get started with $1 per month. And once you have your store, Shopify store, then basically you need to import product from Shopee to Shopify. So to do this one, as you can see here, the instructions, well, in this page, if you're going to how to import products from Shopee to Shopify, so the first step that you're going to do is make sure you installed the Importify. So make sure to install this Importify and subscribe to their plans. So as you can see right here, go to app.importify.net and make sure to register with this Importify app. Now, once you do this one, you can now go to the next step. So if you're going back to the page, as you can see, make sure you are using Chrome browser and installed the free Chrome extension. So this is the extension here, Importify Product Importer. So you just have to click on Add to Chrome and then add extension to your Chrome. And then once done here, visit the Shopee website. And then you should have to find the product you would like to import and then visit the product page. So if you're here on Shopee, basically you need to choose your niche. So we're going to the category. For example, I'm going to select the health and personal care. And then I'm going to select the product right here. So you need to make a research on what is the best product right now. And then you just have to import this product from Shopee to Shopify store. So basically, if I'm going to go back to the instructions, so once you find a product, click the add button on the top left of your browser and then edit the product information such as the title, description, price, etc. Scroll down and click add product to import the item to your store. So once you added your products to your Shopify, as you can see, so when someone purchases from your store, you'll place a markup. So when you order it to Shopee, you'll be making a profit. So that's how you basically dropship in Shopee. And also you can run a traffic for your Shopify by using some ads like the Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, etc. So you can run traffic for your Shopify store. And that's it. That's how you basically dropship from Shopee to Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.